What's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back. Eric here again with some bad news, some sad news, depressing news. I wrecked the Avata 2 and this time I can't fix it. Luckily I had the DJI Care refresh or whatever it's called. It was a $99 program, so I had the 2-year one with 4 replacements. And I did the express replacement. They pretty much will charge my card $250, and once they get back my drone, they will return $245, I believe it was, or $200. I'll post it here. Pretty much, I was out flying. I was in sport mode. I had the up throttle or the vertical stick and the yaw stick. I had it in pretty much manual mode, so it didn't recenter or anything like that. I was, getting used to it, doing good. I was coming in and out of trees like a badass. I went once through the tunnel, or to like this cement cylinder, piping. About 4 feet in diameter. It's a big motherfucker. And unfortunately, I miscalculated. I whacked the living shit out of it. So yeah, this guy is no longer in service. I'll go ahead and show you from up above. As you can see, took a nice chunk out of there. We broke the prop and it will no longer spin freely. I believe it is a defect that this drone has, that these props are extremely weak. I mean, this one was caused pretty much from falling from 4 feet. I wasn't booking or anything. I was probably doing 4 or 5 miles an hour when I had hit that branch. I've looked online. There's no way to replace the outer shell. As you can see, it does have, some Allens here or some screws there, and it looks like you can actually separate it, but these don't come off. So I think that's a flaw with the way this drone is constructed. Nothing we can do about it. We are consumers, so we consume. Luckily, in the realm of things, the drone's fairly cheap to replace. It's $45 for a whole replacement without the battery. So yeah, I'll go ahead and play the video so you can enjoy it. Enjoy, guys.